Today we are going to discuss about fire safety system in LHB coaches. AC coach, the power car and the pantry car comes with automatic fire and smoke detection system. There are generally two variants. One is FDS system and another one is FDS system. FDS system means fire detection system only, and FDS system means fire detection and fire suppression system. FDS system used in AC coaches, whereas FDS system is used in pantry car and power car. First we can look into FDS system. FDS system means fire detection and fire suppression system. There are two variants of FDS system. One is manual activation FDS system and another one is automatic variant FDS system. This is a type of manual activation FDS system. In this manual activation FDS system, it consists of two sampling points. One is smoke detection sampling point, another one is heat activated sampling point. And it consists of a control unit and a suppression unit. This is control unit. It consists of a fire alarm, a manual activation switch, a reset button, and an evaluation unit, and a hooter provided in the panel room. In case of any smoke or heat in the generator room, the sampling point will admit the smoke to the evaluation unit. According to the intensity of smoke, the evaluation unit will give the desired signal to the fire alarm, and it will give an audio visual signal. At this time, we need to physically check the generator room if there is any physical fire or something. And if there is any physical fire, we need to manually activate the manual activation switch by opening the flap and pressing the switch. Suppression system consists of a 24-liter nitrogen cylinder with 200 bar pressure, and it is operated by a solenoid valve, and it is connected to a water of 50-liter capacity. By pressing the manual activation switch, the solenoid valve will be get activated, and the nitrogen in the cylinder will be admitted to the water cylinder. The pressurized mist water will be discharged to the generator room through nozzles. Now we are in the generator room. These are the sampling points. This is smoke detection sampling point and this is heat detection sampling point. Now we can check how the system works. To check the fire alarm, we are giving artificial smoke to the sampling point. Giving the artificial smoke into the smoke cup sampling point, the evaluation unit evaluated the smoke and give audio visual signal through the fire alarm. If there is no physical fire in the generator room, we need to reset the system. So in order to reset the system, we need to press the reset button for 3 seconds. 3 seconds, the system become normal condition. There is another variant, that is automatic fire detection system. In that variant, a linear heat detection cable is also available here, and it consists of a nitrogen cylinder of 50-liter capacity and two water cylinder of 80-liter capacity. In case of actual fire, the linear heat detection cable provided inside the generator compartment will automatically break, and the solenoid valve fitted in the nitrogen cylinder will automatically get activated within 30 seconds, and the suppression action will take place. In case the suppression system is not activated, then it can be manually activated by pulling out the pin on the top of nitrogen cylinder and operating the valve handle manually. Next we are going to discuss about FDS system, that is fire detection system only. In fire detection system, we have two variants, and one is a system for standalone and another is system for complete track. In system for complete track, the fire detection system is provided in the individual coach, and the brake application system is provided with centralized control unit with guard emergency valve in the generator car. In the system for standalone, the fire detection system and the brake application system is provided in individual coaches. Here we discuss about standalone system. It consists of a power supply unit, a heat detection panel, and a magnetic brake application, flasher, a hooter, a speaker, and a smoke detection sampling point. 110 volt DC supply from the coach battery is taken from the fuse number 64 and 66 in the electrical control panel. 110 volt DC is supplied to the power panel through MCB and it get converted to 24 volt DC through DC-DC converter and addition of battery backup of 24 volt established through 12 volt 7 amp battery. And all other control system works with 24 volt DC supply. This is the magnetic brake application valve and it is connected to the BP line directly through a 28 mm pipeline, and it is also connected to the fire detection panel through this wire. To isolate the magnetic brake valve, an isolation cock is also provided in the pipeline. There are smoke detection sampling point at the convenient location of the in the coach. These are the sampling points. It consists of 14 sampling points. Now 11 at the passenger seating position and the 2 at the main door entrance and the 1 at the electrical panel, and each lavatory is provided with the heat activated sampling points. These are the heat activated sampling points, and all the 4 lavatories are provided with heat activated sampling point. Now 65 degrees Celsius, and when the mercury bulb bursts, the smoke will enter through the hole that provided. This is smoke detection sampling point, and the smoke enter through the hole provided. The smoke from all the smoke detection sampling point are admitted to the smoke detection panel through this common pipe, and a filter unit is provided in the common pipe at the inlet of smoke detection panel. Based on the intensity of smoke admitted to the panel, various stage of indication will be generated by the panel. Next we are going to provide artificial smoke to look how the system works. When the smoke from the sampling point entered to the smoke detection unit at the rate of 0.35 OBS per meter for 20 seconds, the alert indication will be generated. When the rate increases to 0.6 OBS per meter for 20 seconds, the action indication will be generated. At this time, the flashlight will be blinking. When the rate reaches 1.6 OBS per meter, the indication for fire 1 will be generated. As said earlier, the magnetic brake application valve works with 24 volt DC supply. Whenever there is any interruption in the 24 volt supply, the valve will go to its normal state, that is open condition. So the BP pressure will vent out and the brake will be applied. Once the 24 volt supply from the power supply panel is admitted to the brake application valve, the valve will get closed and there won't be any drop in the BP pressure. Once the smoke intensity in the coach is high, the fire 1 stage get activated and the magnetic brake application valve will be opened and the brake application will take place. And also there will be an announcement in the speaker.
The suspected fire in this coach. The brakes have been applied. Please evacuate through the vestibule.
This is the smoke detection indicator. If there is no physical fire, we need to reset the system. For resetting the system, we need to wait till the smoke intensity reduces below 60%, and we can reset fire 1. When the intensity is below 40%, we can reset the action. When the smoke intensity reaches below 20%, we can reset the alert signal. Fault indication light provided in the heat detection panel. If any fault occur in the system, like variation in the airflow rate or a system component open circuit, the fault indication light will turn on. On viewing the fault indication, we have to check the nature of the fault and attend accordingly. Once the fault is clear, the light will be automatically turned off. During the initial installation of the system, it needs to be connected to a laptop for configuring the parameters. The system can be connected to the laptop for assessing the system operational data and failure history logs, and it can be downloaded. These are the two types of fire detection and suppression system in coaches. This system will reduce the fire on train by preventing from a fire disaster. Hope you all understood. Thank you.